Is it time to buy or sell Supermicro stock? In this video, we will explore Supermicro in depth. Our initial report was published on our website on Wednesday, the 30th of April, 2025, and we're here to provide you with an even more comprehensive analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analyses. You do not want to miss any critical updates that could influence your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the capabilities of AI and receive free price predictions and in-depth analyses for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be viewed as financial advice. Since the 30th of April, 2025, our system has ranked Supermicro as a strong sell candidate, assigning it a score of -6.59. Now, let's examine the stock's performance during this period. We will continue to monitor this evaluation to observe how it develops in the days ahead. The stock is positioned in the midst of a very broad and declining trend in the short term, indicating the likelihood of further declines within this trend. The current 3-month trend suggests a potential decrease of approximately 16.48% over the next 3 months, with a possible return ranging from -56.07% to 36.34%. Examining the longer term, our 12-month analysis indicates a projected change of -54.17%. According to our calculations, the stock's performance could vary from a total loss of 100% to a decrease of 29.68% over the coming year. In practical terms, this would suggest a future price fluctuating between $0 and $22.40. Our latest daily update for Supermicro includes the headline, High Volatility in Supermicro stock price on Wednesday, which ended trading at $31.86. The Supermicro stock price fell by 11.5% on the last day, which was Wednesday, the 30th of April, 2025. From $36 to $31.86. The stock fluctuated 11.17%, with a day low at $28.79 and a day high of $32. The price has been experiencing ups and downs during this period, resulting in a loss of 4.84% over the last 2 weeks. Volume increased on the last day by 67 million shares, albeit with falling prices. This could serve as an early warning, slightly increasing risk over the next couple of days. In total, 95 million shares were bought and sold for approximately $3.03 billion. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price was $101.40, while the lowest was $17.25. Currently, the price is 68.58% or $69.54 below the 52-week high, and 74.08%, or $91.04, below the all-time high on the 8th of March, 2024, when the price reached $122.90. Supermicro, ticker symbol SMCI, experienced a significant decline today, dropping nearly 16% after the company issued disappointing preliminary guidance for its fiscal third-quarter results. The company expects revenue to fall between $4.5 billion and $4.6 billion, a stark decrease from its prior estimate of $5 billion to $6 billion, and about $1 billion below analyst projections. This downward revision has sparked concerns among investors, impacting not only Supermicro but also sending ripples through the broader AI infrastructure market. Analysts have expressed a cautious outlook on SMCI, with some indicating that current customer demand is shifting and profit margins are declining. Although there are predictions of more downside in the short term, certain analysts maintain faith in the long-term growth potential of the company, particularly as it operates in the lucrative AI server space. The recent turmoil is compounded by broader market conditions, as U.S. equities declined following a report indicating a negative GDP growth rate. This environment poses additional risks for SMCI as investor sentiment remains shaky, with the stock now trading around $30.11 and facing resistance near the $50 mark. The immediate outlook appears challenging, though longer-term prospects still hinge on the evolving demand in the AI sector. investors should be cautious as volatility is likely to persist in the wake of these revelations. Analyst ratings. On Monday, the 10th of March, 2025, it was reported that Goldman Sachs assigned SMCI a neutral grade with a hold action. On Tuesday, the 18th of February, 2025, it was reported that Wedbush assigned SMCI a hold grade with a hold action. On the same day, Tuesday, the 18th of February, 2025, it was reported that Loop Capital Markets assigned SMCI a buy grade with a hold action. On Wednesday, the 12th of February, 2025, it was reported that Wedbush assigned SMCI a neutral grade with a hold action. On Wednesday, the 6th of November, 2024, it was reported that Needham assigned SMCI a mixed grade with a hold action. Analysts have provided a general buy rating for Supermicro stock. They assess the price-to-earnings ratio as buy and the price-to-book ratio as neutral. Regarding return on investment, analysts have awarded the stock a strong buy rating. The following signals have been identified for Supermicro. Furthermore, there is a buy signal from the 3-month Moving Average Convergence Divergence, or MACD. Some negative signals were also issued, which may impact the short-term outlook. The stock for Supermicro is currently showing sell signals from both short and long-term moving averages, leading to a more pessimistic forecast. Additionally, there is a general sell signal indicated by the relationship between these two signals, where the long-term average is positioned above the short-term average. During upward corrections, resistance may occur at the levels of $34.41 and $35.67. A breakout above either of these levels will generate buy signals. A sell signal emerged from a pivot top point on Wednesday, February 19, 2025, and so far, the stock has declined by 47.12%. Further declines are anticipated until a new bottom pivot is established. Yesterday, volume increased despite falling prices, which could serve as an early warning, suggesting that the stock should be monitored more closely. Here are some additional signals that may pique your interest. Moving average convergence divergence, a buy signal. Pivots, a sell signal from 50 days ago. Short-term moving average, a sell signal from 2 days ago. Long-term moving average, a sell signal from 2 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages indicates a buy signal from 38 days ago. Looking at the 12-month chart, we observe short moving average, a sell signal from 2 days ago. The long-term moving average, a buy signal from 4 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages shows a buy signal from 13 days ago. For more signals, be sure to visit our page at StockInvest.us. Support, risk, and stop loss for Supermicro. Supermicro finds support from accumulated volume at $31.71. This level may present a buying opportunity as an upward reaction can be expected when this support is tested. This stock tends to exhibit significant movement throughout the day, indicating high volatility. With a wide prediction interval from the Bollinger Band, this stock is classified as high risk. Over the last day, the stock fluctuated by $3.22 between its highest and lowest points, which is an 11.17% change. In the past week, the stock has experienced an average daily volatility of 6.54%. Before we dive into the potential trading levels for Supermicro, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, we have the price-to-earnings ratio, commonly known as the PE ratio. This important ratio compares a company's current share price to its earnings per share. A relatively low PE ratio may indicate a low expectation for the company's future or suggest that the stock is undervalued, which could present a buying opportunity. In other news, the upcoming earnings report for the first quarter of 2025 is anticipated on the 6th of May, 2025. Analysts' consensus estimates are at 52 cents. It is important to monitor these figures as they can significantly influence stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for Supermicro. In the event of an upward trend, the first resistance level for Supermicro is at $36.07. If you do not currently own any shares, it may be wise to wait for this level to be surpassed before making an entry. For those who already hold the stock, this could be a consideration for swing trading. On the downside, Supermicro faces its first support level at $31.71. If this support level holds, it could present a favorable entry point, anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for Supermicro from multiple analyst sources is buy. Now, let's explore some recent insider trades. On the 22nd of April, 2025, Liang Chu Sarah conducted an insider purchase of 3 million shares of employee stock option, which is the right to buy. On the same day, Liang Charles also conducted an insider purchase of 3 million shares of employee stock option. On the 31st of March, 2025, Angel Scott conducted an insider purchase of 0 shares. On the 28th of February, 2025, Blair Robert L. conducted an insider purchase of 13,600 shares of common stock. On the same day, Blair Robert L. conducted an insider sale of 13,600 shares of stock option. Analyzing the 100 most recent insider trades, we found that the insider power is positive, with a ratio of 80.164. In summary, insiders purchased a total of 10,013,557 shares and sold 1,232,662 shares in the last 100 trades. We currently hold a negative evaluation for this stock, and there is no stop loss in place. Is Supermicro stock a good buy? Supermicro displays several concerning signals and is situated within a broad and declining trend, leading us to believe it will continue to perform poorly in the upcoming days or weeks. As a result, we maintain a negative assessment of this stock. Due to some minor weaknesses in the technical analysis, we have revised our evaluation from a hold or accumulate to a strong sell candidate since our last assessment. After examining the volatility and movements from the most recent trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is overvalued. For trading on Thursday, the 1st of May, we anticipate Supermicro to open lower by 98 cents, starting at $30.88. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money, and that you should speak with a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. You should not base your investment decisions on StockInvest.us. By using this information, you agree to take responsibility for your own investment choices. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? We invite you to comment below and share your thoughts. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day. With warm regards from all of us here at StockInvest.